Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to IKEA, the new store which has opened in Mumbai. So we have to register before we go over here because of the pandemic. They are taking care to ensure that there is enough social distancing. So register yourself before going. There are various slots, 11 o'clock slot, 2 o'clock slot and 5 o'clock slot. So I had booked a slot and I had gone here. So ensure that, otherwise you'll have to go back. So check out their lift. It's really huge and it carries a lot of people and maybe a lot of furniture too. So Hage, that means hey in Swedish. So look at me, I am checking around, looking at all the furniture. So coming back to the registration part, if you do not register, you do not get a QR code, you won't be allowed inside. So better do that and go here so that you are not disappointed and you are not sent back.
If you're watching this channel and have not subscribed to me, then please subscribe immediately.
So look around, this place is amazing. It is an entire place full of different kinds of furniture. If you are a person who likes to decorate your house, this is just the place for you and you should surely come here because the entire place, the entire building is full of different furniture, lights, accessories, curtains and different things. So here we'll look around, just take a look. So first of all, hand yourself a map, take a map from someone around over there and you will know exactly where to go. So look at the display of various rooms over here. I did not cover all the rooms, but there are various displays of living rooms and kitchens as well as sit out areas like this one and various examples how you can decorate your house. So this is another example, another display of a living room. So this is of pastel colors and look at this. This is a sewing room where you can do all your stitching and keep all your stuff, you know, the stitching stuff, the threads as well as the cloth, the buttons, everything which is required. And now see, look at me all excited and looking around. Lot of tips over here to how to decorate your house. So this is especially a very pretty place. Look at this kiddie room over here. It's so pretty, it's so beautiful, it's so well kept and so colorful, isn't it? So your kids or your nephews or nieces will really love this if you buy these for them. This small chair, it's so pretty. Awesome chandeliers are kept here for especially for the kids. And look at this small little room made specially for your little princess. So you can grab tips from here and put it exactly like this in your house, or take different stuff from here and accumulate in your house and make it in your own style. You know, everybody has an idea about how they need their house, so you can do that, but all the stuff kept over here is especially very beautiful. Here is a tutorial. So everywhere they have kept these tutorials about how to use the furniture or how to assemble a furniture, because you can do the assembling yourself too. These are really compact and very light sofa cum beds. So this is for people who are staying single, who do not require much furniture but still require furniture which should be really handy. So here I am in between mirrors and I love mirrors a lot, and these are really attractive mirrors kept around and so many variety. And the plant space place is always the best space for females. They love walking around plants. I know even guys love it. And this place had a lot of artificial plants and flowers, as well as real plants too. So you can have your own pick, whichever you like. But these artificial plants looked pretty real. It did not look too artificial to me. So here are the candle section, and here the candles scented so pretty, so well, so good, and it really makes our day very beautiful with their fragrances. So you have candles as well as candle stands too kept over here, and we can have our pick, and it's not too costly. So here comes our artificial flower section, and really pretty, you can pick really pretty flowers from here, and I loved the collection over here a lot, especially this one. So this trolley was really pretty and I loved it a lot, and its cost was really less. I really liked it. These are not bowls, these are flower pots. So you can buy these flower pots and you can adorn all your plants, and these are cans for gardening, watering the plants, and all the gardening stuff is kept over here. They are really beautiful, very amazing. And these are all artificial, guys, they're not real. So now time for our food, our lunch. So there is an in-house restaurant and I had gone here, so we have to actually wait over here in a queue, and there was not much social distancing over here. It was too crowded and we had to do a long waiting, which I did not appreciate at all, but we had to because we were hungry. So look at all the spread over here. We have Indian as well as Swedish food kept over here. So the variety of food is good. We can have whatever we like, and we can try out some new Swedish kind of dishes too. So here we are with our food. We have already selected whatever we wanted to eat, but we're still waiting over here at the payment section where we had to stop here and do our payment. So it was a very long wait for us to actually have our food. So here I am all spread out with my food on the table, and I'll be having my food and I'll be going for some more shopping. So I enjoyed the meal. It was tasty and the dessert was amazing. I would suggest you all to have the food over here. It really tastes good, and you can even try out some Swedish dishes too, as I said earlier, because this is a place where you can try it. So looking out for some more vessels for the kitchen. There were a lot of utensils kept over here, and they really pretty much looked very good, and there was a lot of variety which I really liked. So they had many stuff kept over here, many things you can look around and you can buy exactly what you are looking for. So these baking trays and these cake trays were so amazing, and I bought some of them. And these serving dishes and plates are really beautiful and I really liked it. So maybe next time I might come here and buy these stuff. But I looked around and I found them really amazing, and they were not costly. Even these glasses are really pretty. They're really durable, and look at these big jars. You can fill them with milk or water or whatever you like. And these martini glasses were so good, so amazing. Wine glasses, martini glasses, these small little glasses for your drinks or anything which you would like to drink, but they are looking really amazing. And paper towels, really, they are so amazing and so good in size. The size of the paper towels I really liked, and even the color. So here are some bed sheets. They have really beautiful bed sheets over here, as well as beautiful curtains. I was really amazed by the kind of curtains they had kept over here. Amazing and dreamy, just like how I always imagine. So this is the kind of curtain. These blinds too are really amazing. I loved them a lot, and they were really very beautifully colored. So here are bed sheets, pillow covers and all that. So here we come towards the rug section. So rugs and doormats and carpets. So this carpet was really catchy. I really loved this a lot. And whenever my carpet gets spoiled, I'll surely come here to buy it. All the bathing accessories. And guys, these are organizers, various kinds of organizers. You can keep them in the kitchen, in your cupboard. You can organize stuff very neatly and you can keep it. This is a toilet, all the stuff organizer, all the things which you use in the toilet, you can keep it all organized in this, and you can keep it in one place and you can get it all handy whenever you require it. So we have come to the painting section and we can see all this stuff over here. Beautiful, and I really love this section. I always love paintings and wall hangings and mirrors and all kinds of beautiful stuff. I really love it. I'm sure even you guys love it a lot. Take a look, all the people behind me are walking backwards. Time for some coffee and some frozen yogurt for myself at the cafe downstairs, and I'm walking out from the storage area right outside because I'm done for today and it's already 5 o'clock. We have to show our QR code once again before walking out of this place, before we check out. And now we are back to the parking area, and look at this, guys. They have electric car charging already installed over here. So IKEA already knows the future and they know that very soon electric cars are going to come over here, so they have installed the charging already. So here I am walking towards my car and I am going home right now with all the stuff which I had bought today, and very soon I am coming back and I'll be buying more stuff. So let us say goodbye and call it an amazing day. It was indeed a beautiful day, and look at this beautiful sunset. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and comment below. Thank you guys. Bye bye.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, simply city.